filming this. What is this? What is this maneuver? Is this the feline maneuver?
So we are in the
Berry Islands?
Oh my God. So we are in the Berry Islands, and we are in search of a blue hole. Our friends Barry.
Barry and who?
I'm
Billy?
losing it. Our friends Billy and Sierra found this really cool blue hole, and they told us to follow this trail in this little island, and we'll find a blue hole and turtles. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Is this real? Oh, how beautiful. Sierra's crazy if she thinks I'm going to jump off of this. That's cold.
We started our adventure in the Berry Islands at Great Harbor and have made our way south to Hoffman's Cay. The stark contrast between the inland side and the open Atlantic is shocking, and the water is so clear you can see forever.
should definitely snorkel here. We should not snorkel here. We can snorkel here.
Well, yesterday was interesting. We had a great day. We found the blue hole, and it was so spectacular and fun. And then we decided to move anchorage because it just really wasn't very good hold on the anchor. We just went a little bit further south. We were right behind Devil's Key. Found a really good holding. It was like the sand just sucked up the anchor. Got it good. And then we enjoyed the afternoon. And then all of a sudden, the wind started shifting. It picked up. The swell picked up. The boat's rocking all over the place. And I was so concerned. But we stayed, and that anchor held tight. And then by the time we went, well, right before sundown, everything settled down. Easy breeze, nice even water, and then when we woke up this morning, it was just dry, crisp, cool air, really pretty. And the sun's out, and now we're heading further south. We're going to go explore some more islands.